Hey everyone, it's Brandon from All American Thrills here, and this is our 4th Fury 325 construction update at Carowinds Amusement Park from ALTair. This is a big update as it covers the topping off of Fury 325. That's right, Fury 325 has now reached 325 feet in the sky. We have our ALTair pilot Bob down at the park to cover this big milestone event. Take it away.
For All American Thrills, I'm Bob Asbury. I own and operate Sky Sprinter Aerial Photography in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's just before 9 o'clock here at Carowinds, and as you can see behind me, we're just about ready to top off. I'm at my position here on the Palladium side of the coaster, and I'm going to get up in the air and take a few preliminary views.
Okay, thank you, Bob. It's certainly going to be a historic day here for Carowinds. We're just taking a look at the rest of Fury 325's construction site. We'll be coming back over to that later. But first, we're going to lift off, and we're going to see what steel has been put up so far, specifically with the lift, hill, and drop. This is all new since our last ALTair construction update. You can even see one little lone piece of track installed there, as well as a few supports. I'm sure those will have track before we know it. Now we're back over here at the lift, hill, and drop, which is going to be topped off very shortly, but it hasn't been just yet. There's still one piece of track that needs to go to connect the lift, hill, and drop, and that's why we are here today at Carowinds. Now we're flying back towards, again, the lift, hill, and drop, where you can see the final piece has been hoisted up. Some time has passed. It's been hoisted up, and it is being lowered down and installed here to connect the lift, hill, and drop of Fury 325. Construction crews have to be very delicate with it. It's very, very high up, and it's a very heavy piece, so they need to be very delicate and slow with it to make sure it's installed seamlessly. The great thing about ALTair is that we can have this view right up at 325 feet in the air. A historic moment taking place here, and there is the finished lift hill. So now that that's been finished, there's a lot more steel that still needs to go up for Fury 325. So you can see crews are bringing through the next piece of track down the construction site right now. I'm just stunned by the 3 massive cranes there right at the lift hill. So, Fury 325 is the tallest coaster at Carowinds, so we're going to go ahead and we're just swinging around here to see how it just stands high above the rest of the park. You can see Intimidator, Windseeker, a gorgeous day here in Charlotte. And now we're taking a look at the rest of the construction site, which you can see is huge. Tons more steel to go there, and we'll keep bringing you updates as construction keeps going. Okay, so that wraps up our 4th Fury 325 construction update from the big topping off of this monstrous coaster. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you like us on Facebook, subscribe here on YouTube, and follow us over on Twitter and Instagram so you can be the first to know when we post our next Fury 325 construction update for ALTair. Thanks to Bob, thanks to Carowinds, and I'll see you everyone.